Velcro, an epic technology inspired by nature, also referred to as hook and loop. So these are going onto all the external hard drives today. And let me show you some other things I have under the desk now. So you've got AA batteries and AA battery chargers, light remotes, Sony battery chargers, Sony NPF battery chargers, power supplies, and right back here we've got a monster of a power bar that just has so many leads going to it. A series of hose clamps, twist ties, and Velcro just holding all these bundles of cable together. Alexa, turn ambient light off.
Okay.
Alexa, turn ambient light on.
Okay.
And this is our hard drive problem. Whatever. A hook for my 30,000 milliamp hour battery, pretty heavy. Stick this up through here and hopefully get that right on the pad. And that is really just move it back a little bit because it's going to be tough to plug in USB-C for this one. And so it's kind of nice to just be able to move the laptop and have the laptop kind of stand vertically. This way it has better airflow. And just like that, we've made a whole bunch of hard drives completely disappear. So that's essentially my little mini desk tour. Thank you for watching. My name is Nathaniel. This is Epic Tech.